ass off. If you start listening, killing dogs all day long. This is my coyote killing song.
No problem, dude. Especially in that 32 times zoom, dude. I could see that thing blink.
Dude, thick as nose hairs.
I cranked it all the way up and I was like, holy crap, dude, you can see a long ways, man.
I'm talking about, baby.
Boy, dude.
That's what we do, baby.
That's what we do, baby. Good little 7 snow nap. Snow nap.
Yeah.
100 yards, 700 yards.
No, way further.
Further than that, I didn't see him until he crossed the draw down here.
You're a long ways away.
Probably about a mile.
So then funny, he crossed the draw. He couldn't choose a direction to come in because the snow's so deep. But then he decided to make a straight beeline. You can see his tracks just trotting through the snow. And then he came up on this finger, and I think Trapper dumped him at 70 yards. Easy kill, textbook. Coyote down.
Good job, boys.
Yeah, that puppy was on a string, man. He was
Kelly aced it, sitting behind the camera calling the shots.
Sweet.
Let him get close, Trapper.
Yeah, I kept telling Trapper.
He's like,
Get close.
I was like, you tell me when, buddy. You tell me when.
Alright, it's time.
Dude, my
That was
finger was
dope.
itching. I was just sitting here like twitching. I was like, come on. Absolutely dropped him. Oh, if you guys could see this hole right now, I'm gonna try and hold it up a little so you guys might be able to see this hole. Look at that fucking hole, dude. Look at that. That's a big fucking hole, baby. I mean, big flipping hole. Sorry, Kelly. No cuss. Oh, that dog weighs at least 100 pounds. God, that's a steep hill. I gotta go back up. Son of a gun. Why did I do that? Why do I always kill the coyotes and I have to carry them back?
There's no way I'll be able to shoot him unless he comes way over here, Cal. Oh, fuck. I was pointing way over here. Go to the right, go to the right. I knew there was another one. He kept looking backwards. He's gonna come up this draw. He's gonna. I got him if he comes left. I'll get him on this side hill if he comes this way. That's all, Trapper. I can't move anymore. I don't know how much closer you let him get before tripping up. Alright. God damn it. I need to shoot him. If he stops, I'm gonna shoot him. Ready?
Tell him what happened here.
Okay, so we had
I
one
say we
coyote
keep calling.
coming in straight in front of us, like beelining
think
right
so.
towards us, but he took it pretty slow. He heard the call. He'd take 4 or 5 steps, stop, look at us, scan, take another 4 or 5 steps, stop, and all of a sudden out of nowhere he just booked it straight back the way he came.
Yeah, he 180'd and bounced.
Yeah, 180'd it and was gone. So then
He didn't even hesitate.
but then we're like all flustered, and I look to my right and I see something. I didn't know if it was a bush or coyote, so I just yell coyote or whisper coyote, right away. And this coyote just came right in. He had no idea we were here. He's gonna try and circle around, probably try and get our wind or something.
I'm
but,
assuming that's what he's gonna do.
we put him down for sure. I ended up actually hitting the barbed wire a little bit with my shot, but still got him.
Oh, shit.
Awesome. I'll go grab that coyote if you guys want to get the side by side.
I will do that. You don't have to tell me twice, dude.
Hell yeah, dude. That's what we should be doing.
Yeah.
Dude, see what I say about the crow call.
That was weird. That was weird. I'm not
What
gonna
did
lie.
I tell you about the crow call?
It works there. Well, I haven't done it with you yet, so that was crazy.
I was like, Kelly, there's no birds here. Why are you playing the crow call?
Crows are opportunists, just like coyotes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm sure they roll together all the time.
Yeah, it's
Female. Dude, I don't know where I hit. I don't know if I nicked. I don't know where I hit. There's like 2 bullet holes here. I spined him. That's where I hit him.
Takes a while to take all 17 layers and pull 2 inches out, you know?
It is a tough life for us. Oh, man. If you get to hear my freestyle, you better like it.
Yeah?
I freestyled the whole way down there.
Really? Alright.
Killing dogs all day long. That's my coyote killing song. Oh, man.
Sunshine to stay away, dude. Vegan. It's coming down the pipe, dude. You ready?
Get another one at him, just in case. A little low, a little low. A little low.
Huh. It couldn't have been too far, probably 250.
Dude, what just happened?
That was crazy.
That was actually crazy.
I can't believe he came in. How long was that stand? 20 minutes?
I don't know.
My toes are getting chilly.
25 minutes?
Into a set, I look up and I see a coyote running. I'm like, oh man, we probably just blew this set. But I look at Kelly and I say, let's just give it like 7-8 minutes, you know, just to see if he takes off or hangs out, whatever he does. And he just hung up out there and just sat and looked at us for the last 25 minutes. Well, 20 minutes. And he started moving in kind of straight towards us, looked like he was going to hammer us. And then he just slowly crept in, came down this draw in front of us here. I was hoping Elliot was going to get a shot on him. But he came right down the pipe, right down this draw, and then just sat and looked at us, digging in the snow, pawing in the snow, barking, yelling. And about 250, took a shot on him, hit him. He's definitely down out there, so I have to go grab him.
Good work, boys. What did you think about that old 50-50?
I'll tell you what. Primos better take some notes, because Kelly speaks the language. I can't believe you got him to come back in, man.
The fact that he watched us come in and then like sat on his ass the whole set and then eventually just started throwing chops
I had
at him.
0% confidence he was going to come in. 0.
I couldn't believe it.
Like, we've all seen that a million times. They run away, they pop out, they sit and be curious, and then they go bounce, you know.
Guys, it never works like that.
Never. That was cool. But patience,
Dude, I
Kelly's.
bet he's a big coyote too.
He looked big, dude.
He looked.
I can't wait to drag him back. Why do I have to keep killing all these fucking coyotes?